Maths Frameworking, Collins Maths Frameworking 3.3, chapter 8.3, Factorising quadratic expressions with positive coefficients. What does all that mean? Let's write out a quadratic expression. X squared plus 7x plus 10. So it sounds complicated, but the quadratic expression just means the x squared thing. So we've done these before, and we looked at two sets of brackets, which when multiplied together gives us something like this. Now we're going to go back the other way. We're going to factorise it. So we're going to put it into two sets of brackets, and the question is, what's going to go where? Well, if you remember, they always had a format of, x plus or minus something, and then in here, x plus or minus something. Or it could be like 2x, or 3x, or whatever. Okay, well, let's look for some clues here as to what's going to go here. Well, because it's, well, first of all, we're starting simple. And I will tell you, give you this one for free, that everything's positive. There's no minuses here at all. So let's just learn the basics before we get into whether it's minus or plus. So how many x squareds is this? Is it 1x squared, 2x squared, 3x squared? Well, it's obviously it's 1x squared. So because of that, we know it's just x and x. Now, I've given it to you already that it's all positive. Now, if you remember, when we do our smiley face and expand the brackets or multiply out the brackets, this number, which is just a number, times this, which is just a number, gives us that final number. Here it's 10. So what are the factors of 10? What multiplies together? Well, this is primary stuff. 1 and 10, 2 and 5, 3, 4, 5, yep, nothing else. And then the other two, 5 and 2, 10 and 1. So just leave that. So I need two numbers that multiply together to make this. But if you remember how it works, when we kind of expanded it out, I then need, so this times this would give me something x, and then this times this would give me something x, and we add them together. So we add them together to get this. So they need to add together to make this one, and multiply to make this one. So that's quite easy. It's going to be 2 and 5. Doesn't actually matter which way round it is on this example. Okay, so there we go. I've got a couple more examples here. Let's do a couple more. X squared plus 9x plus 8. Okay. So coefficient here is just 1, so I know that's going to be x and x. Multiply together to make this, add together to make this. If you need to, jot it down in the side of the book. 8, 1, 4, 2, do it in a logical way. That's it. So I think those two together add up to 9. So it's going to be plus 8 plus 1. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And B, example B, x squared plus, what? No, that's the same example. Example B is right up here. X squared plus 8x plus 16. Okay, x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals Dumpty Dumpty Dum. Again, there's only one x here, so we know that's going to be x and that's going to be x. Let's jot down the numbers over here. Perhaps by now you can do this in your head, but no shame in writing this out. So 1, 16, 2, 8, 3. No, that doesn't work. 4, yeah, 4 and 4. And then we go the other way, so it'll be 8 and 2, 16 and 1. Add together to make this one. Boom, it's those two. So it's plus 4, plus 4. You can do a check if you want. We can do our smiley face. X times x x squared, x times 4 plus 4x, and then this one, 4 times x plus 4x, and that one, 4 times 4 is 16, which can reduces down plus 8x. Same thing. So, great. We've done that one. And I think that's all there are for the examples. Yeah, question 9 is a bit tricky. Looks a bit different, but I'll leave you with it. Okay?